wonderful time to see your face today. I'm in appreciation to that. Good morning once again. Alright, today we're going to be talking about integral by form. Integral by form. Integration, you can also call it formulated integrals or integral by form. Integral by form states that the integral of f of x over f prime of x dx is equal to ln f prime of x plus k. This is what they call integral by form. So, I don't know, but this is it. The integral by form states that the integral of f of x over f prime of x is equal to... Is this guy applicable to what we have here? Yes. Let's see how it works. Now, someone will be like, this thing here should be seeing it as a cos 2 sine x. What does it look like? Some will say it is cot. Though it is true, it's cot anyway, but we can't really say it's possible. And if we should put sine on the top and cos down, and you want to get the integral of sine over cos, sine over cos is tan, right? Now, the integral of tan x is not possible as well. So, because the derivative of tan x will give us what? Sec square x. So, why the integral of sec square x will give us what? Tan x. So, the best thing to do on this aspect is by relating it to this form. So, solution for number 1, we got something like the integral of cos x. So, let's start on the first one. Of 2x, 2t plus 1 over t squared plus t minus what? 1 d what? dt. Now, if we have something like this, there are two ways of solving this. Now, the number 1 way is this. When you differentiate the denominator, f prime means differentiate the denominator. F prime of x. The derivative of this guy will give us what? 2t plus what? 1. Are you saying that f prime of x is equal to the numerator? Are you seeing it? So since it's equal to the denominator, that is if f prime of x is equal to what? F of what? Of x. This is the law. They must be what? Equal. If they are not equal, then it is not qualified to be what it is. Alright. Based on this, I will then say that I have my solutions this way. The integral of 2t minus 1 all plus k. Now, you can also solve it this way. By substitution method. I say, let u be equal to t squared plus t minus u minus 1. Therefore, your du is equal to 2t plus 1 what? dt. Am I making sense at all? Yes. So I can make my dt to be equal to what? Du, this is in bracket, over what? 2t plus what? 1. Substitute this into this very function. You have the integral of 2t plus what? 1 over this becomes what? U, right? U. Plus what? My dt becomes what? dt is what? Du over 2t plus 1. So this cancels what? This. And then we have that what? The integral of what? Du over what? U. So what is the integral of 1 over u du? That will give us what? 1. My u is what? My u is what? T squared plus t minus 1. So I have to mean what? T squared plus t minus what? 1 plus what? K. So I'm getting this function. So I am back to where I actually mentioned here, back to the same similar answer. This answer, this one are the same thing. So you can either use this guy or you use what? This guy. So that is the integral by form I'm talking about. Let's go to another one. Over sine what? X dx. Now, I want to operate on this guy. How do I do that? How do I make it possible? You can as well use substitution. You can as well use this function. Now, what is my f prime of the denominator? What will I get? I will get what? I will get cos what? Cos x. When you differentiate this side, when you differentiate side s, you get what? Cos s. So since my f prime of x is equal to f of x, therefore I have that my integral of cos x sine x is equal to what? Ln what? Cos what? X plus, sorry, sine x rather. Sine x plus what? K. Using substitution again, you say let u be equal to sine x, so that you have that the u will be equal to what? Cos x what? The what? The x. So my dx is equal to what? Du over cos what? X. Put it inside here, we have that integral of cos x over my sine x becomes what? U. Dot my dx becomes what? Du over what? Cos x. This cancels off. We have the integral of 1 over u, the what? U. And this gives me what? 1 ln what? Ln u what plus what? K. What is my u? My u is sine x. So I have sine x what plus what? K. And so on and so forth. My f prime of x of the denominator is what? Is 2x plus is 2x only. Now, looking at this, is 2x equals to x? No, it's not equal to x. So since my f prime of x is equal to 2x and this guy f of x is what? Is x. So what do? We divide both sides to find the value of this guy. We make x equal to what? 1 over what? 2x. So 1 over 2. So now if we want to put down this guy, because this is what we need, the function of this guy. So this becomes 1 over 2 what? X. So on doing so, we now have that what? Our evaluation, this is x. Our x is the function of this. So this becomes what? Ln what? 1 over 2 ln what? Ln x squared plus 1 plus what? K. Or using substitution, you can also get it this way. Let my u be equal to what? S squared plus 1, so that I have that my dt will be equal to du over 2x. Normal. So put it there. We have the integral of x over x. Our x squared becomes what? U. The x is what? The x becomes what? Du over what? 2x. X cancels x. We have what? 1 over 2 integral of 1 over what? U d what? Du. So this becomes 1 over u, 1 over 2 ln what? Ln u plus what? K. What is my u? My u is what? Is x squared plus 1 plus what? K. So please take note of this. And take note of this. Thank you. Thank you. Have a nice time. Enjoy your time.